Hi, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my kitchen, and today we're making citrus salad. And you know why? It's easy AF. This is really exciting because it's citrus season and the season is almost over. So we have to capture all these delicious flavors while we can. I have cara oranges, navel oranges, grapefruit, mandarins, blood oranges, and even this beautiful sumo mandarin citrus. Just grab whatever you can and whatever you like. Okay, so we're gonna mix them all together and I'm gonna show you two ways of cutting them. This beautiful blood orange has been peeled and I'm just gonna slice it. And the cara orange, we're gonna do supremes, but I'm gonna show you how to peel it. Now, you're gonna peel it this way for every single citrus that you do. So I just cut the ends off, just like you peel a melon. And we're gonna peel the skin this way. Now, if you did it the other way, when you peel it just to eat it, you leave too much pith on, and we don't want that. We want all this pith, meaning the white, bitter part of the citrus, off. So just peel around like a melon, then go back and make sure you get all of that off. And now we're gonna do this fun technique. Now, chefs call it supremes, or supremes if you're French, but you could also call it segments or sections. And then I have a little serrated paring knife here. You cut in between the sections and you'll see the citrus gives you the lines, right? There's the fibrous part there and you just keep going. And when you get to the end, you're gonna squeeze the juice out of this into your salad. You want all that juice. You don't wanna waste a drop. You can hang on to those fibers and eat them if you want, but I usually get rid of them after I squeeze the juice out. Okay. And this cara orange, if you've never had one, is so delicious. It still has the acidity and the sweetness, but it's not as tart as a navel. Okay, so we have the supremes, or the segments, and then for the blood orange, you guys, which are so beautiful. Look at this, it's like a sunset. I'm just gonna do slices because I wanna show it off, right? I wanna see the beauty of this. I don't wanna cut it too small. Usually blood oranges are much smaller than the other oranges. And I'm even gonna just let that fall apart a little bit. Okay, so we did all our citrus. I went a little bit ahead. I also have a beautiful grapefruit in there. And I'm gonna add some shaved fennel. I just shaved the fennel and I put a little bit of lemon juice on there. And I'm using a mandolin. Now, if you don't have a mandolin at home, you can cut it with a knife. But with the mandolin, just a few shaves, and there you have it. Because we want this to melt, right? We want it to melt. A little lemon juice, in it goes, and then these beautiful green olives. Now, I already pitted these and cut these, and they have some olive oil. Classic Italian salad, really fresh, beautiful combination. We mix it together, maybe a little more olive oil, a little bit of salt. Honestly, stop right there and just look at that. Gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Mix it up and get ready to serve. Now, I love to eat this with bitter greens like radicchio or endive, or you can just spoon this over a piece of fish. So I'm gonna put this into my plate. Oh my God, this is unreal. Okay, I'm gonna mix up all that citrus, and as this sits, you're gonna get this beautiful dressing. Basically going to make its own dressing that you pour over your bitter greens, your radicchio, your endive. Make sure you grab a little bit of everything when you're making the salad. Put it all into that bowl. A little bit of greens. I have these gorgeous sunflower sprouts. It's fresh, it's gorgeous, it's citrus, and it's easy AF.